because of this music now, record is this my screen rec now, record here. You understand? So that I make sure this meeting now, I can quickly upload this one. You understand? Then maybe edit the other one, so that it will help us to continue at the same pace. Anyway, all that in be musobu. Go me edit can compile or assume that not 2 minutes unless I want to subscribe. And you want to pay for $30-something. So a big game with $1 now. So that is the challenge. But now let me delete this music again. I'm what I can see the music. I'm what this place now media that is media menu. Then stock media. Stock media like all these images, all these emojis and other pictures, all these motion pictures. Then you can get Jiffy, all these Jiffy pictures. Most times, in all this social media. So you can get all these things. Maybe as somebody is watching your video and somebody it's all to symbolize your then this thing will display. Then the video will continue and all that. So, but what I will do, I think what I will be doing maybe something like 2 minutes. Send there, I watch that one, so that when you couldn't get it properly, then during this our live session we'll be able to do that. And I want to assure you that I'll use tomorrow to do most of this because we don't have training tomorrow. I'll just be around. I'll just be in my room here to get all these things done properly. So I want to reintroduce the audio again. I've loaded this. Let me delete that is the file or the recorded file or the footage. So now I want to delete it so that I will put it back. Because I did not record them. So this is what I did. Oh, I've closed it. Okay, just give me some moment. Let me open my Filmora. I closed it. Okay, it's coming up. This side now. I am going to Filmora. Open. Okay, so this is where we are. Okay, so here with the 10 import. This is the first scene.
I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, okay. Let me share my screen again. Let me share the screen again. What is it? This thing. Open Zoom. Okay, sorry, Prof. Sorry. Let me reshare. Okay. Optago kita.
Yeah.
Good. Thank God. So I am adding the medias into the editing platform. So I first of all move
started
this.
the recording.
Okay. So this is the first one. Then this is the second one.
Record maybe.
Okay, so Now the next thing I want to do is to look at what I have.
I've started recording. So whatever thing I'm doing now is recorded, but it is within this environment that you see that is not.
Okay. Prof.
Yeah, I'm here with you.
So, like, when I play this in...
I've started recording. So whatever thing I'm doing now is recorded, but it is within this environment that you see that is dotted with red. Then,
okay.
After the recording now, if I, for instance, if I want my face to be showing now, I'll click on this. This is my web camera. Once I click on it, it will activate my webcam. You see?
Now,
can you see my face now?
Now, if I want to see where there are lacuna in my speech, now just look down here. Can you see my arrow?
Yes, I can see the lacuna. All those.
Those flat pen. It means I didn't. There was no voice. So during the editing, these are the places you chop off.
You see?
You can see. So using this these scissors, I can chop off. Literally I can see where I did not or where I made mistake. Like if I click this scissors now, you see, this one is now independent. Can you see it now? Then this side is also I can still move this thing backwards to the point I want and still click on it. Look at it off too. Look at now. So I've cut this place off now. You understand? I can decide to make it silent.
Yeah.
By clicking it now. Inside it now. Then it will be silent. It will not.
Like it will not go.
No. Like during playing now, if I'm playing, when it gets to this point, it's stuck. You understand? I can start to delete it because I feel that this place there is no activity. It will make my video to stay longer. You understand? So I may not want that side. Then if I click on this now, you see, I've used this delete or recycle bin symbol here now as a delete to remove it. Are you seeing my arrow now? My mouse pointer. So
yes,
now,
I saw. I'm seeing.
So I can bring this thing together so that there will be no gap. Now look at.
It will activate my webcam.
How did you bring it together? Shift and arrow.
I use my mouse pointer, click and drag. I use my mouse backwards,
Okay.
so that it can align.
So this is what this can.
You see like that place I say
some of this editing.
Like that place I say and there was enough gap, so I can start to be cutting those places off, and the only places you'll be seeing or the places you'll be hearing are the places I speak very fluently.
So these editors have recording interface where you can record do some voiceovers and all that. Okay. So after this now, when I'm done with what I'm doing, I can now stop it. If I click.
So, okay, you can see now there is a lacuna here now. So I need to drag this one backwards as well, so that it will allow properly, and you won't observe that they have different footages. So this is what you do during editing. Like that place, I've seen it. I know that I didn't say anything. I keep on chopping off. And bringing them together. So there will be minimal mistakes.
Do some voiceovers and all that. So after this now, when I'm done with what I'm doing, I can now stop it. If I or maybe I want to show somebody how to create a folder, Then I come
I'll go
here.
forget. No, we're about the flat. Or Mark zoom off ma. Now, can you see my mouse pointer on top?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you, Prof. Now, open Andra ga left now. Eba na come with minus. It will make this thing to come closer. That gap there. If we get now, but if I want to see everything clearly, I shift it rightwards. If we get now, this was if I may not even need to be playing the audio to see where I made mistake before I now come back and begin to look for those places where I spoke either the wrong English or I stammered because I'm a stammerer somehow, or where anywhere you see mistake, you can begin to listen. That is why most times during the
So when you stretch it with that plus minus, like zooming in, right?
Yes, Prof. Yes.
So
yes.
It's like zooming in now. So it means you can actually cut it off without listening, right?
Yes, like a bar now. If on a bar the flat now, I'm that cut to a bar and it will affect the video. So time. It's in here. Maybe now if you na voice get the low. You can do that here. You can increase the volume here. You understand now? Maybe I feel that that my voice is low. I can do it directly. I'm gonna fold my hand now. I'm gonna fold my mouse now. I can raise it up, but that is the highest. The highest volume is 12 decibel.
That is, you now increase the volume for playing at the play time.
For like if I compile this video now, the voice can be very high.
So that means in the early phase, the voice will be low. Even in the volume, the voice goes higher.
It goes higher. But the trick is if you want because your video your voice the same.
Uniform.
I jump up or the low. All bad work. So you can make sure. Like that is why this this volume control from here now. Get this volume controller. So the volume control is here so that you can give the that is you can give it equal volume. Get the volume. This is the if that now the so I'm playing when I'm playing the something now.
You right click. Of course, the person will see what I'm doing. Click on once I click on new.
I've killed the because I moved it 4 4. I need to do is to
create a subfolder. Of course, the same thing. I click again.
Then here is where you do the back.
So let me say this one is S2. The thing is partly hidden. Okay.
So now I will go. Now let me assume which the job we have not finished. I know we have not finished the job because there are other things now. But for this emphasis, we can now. Now arrow down. E and autumn is the edges. the edges. If I click on if I click on it now, just you see to adjust, you see. I've trimmed the edges. If we get now, so that it's like this. My system is so it means video is a 1 minute 32 okay, it's a 1 minute 39 seconds. I'm a 11 now. So that is just what the video is. But if I take it backward, it will still increase, you know, the size. If we get, so it's just a short video. Then okay, let me add the media again before, so that we'll see how I did it. Now these are free music or audio. You can pick them, like them the way you like them, anyone you like. Though this one will start playing now. Then if I like it, I can drag it from here. Okay, the thing was playing, but you can't hear it. But when you watch this video, you see what you see what I did. Then after this now, I will just drag it to this work environment. You can see, but I will align it. I will align it the same in the same position with the video, so that immediately the video start playing, then the music will start you know, going up. But you need to, you know, minimize it such or position it so that the pitch will not with the message, and the message as well will not be too loud that the music will not you know, come up, because sometimes this music can be a motivator. It can be the point of attraction, while the viewer is you know, assessing your resources.
Recorded. So whatever thing I'm doing now is recorded, but
let me increase it. Okay. Something is actually going on in this.
But it is within this you know, environment that you see that recorded. Then after the recording,
okay. So if I want my face to be showing now, but when I will send this now, when you are watching it, you see how I did it, where I picked the, you know, the music and how it is played and how I am able to adjust it so that the sound message affect with the message like that. So that is the two things we do today. Then maybe tomorrow we'll now do another one, maybe how to add transition, as we have different scenes. Then moving from one scene to another scene, something's supposed to happen. So tomorrow we'll do that one. In fact, if possible, if I'm able to finish the editing of the other of our meeting and complete this one, although this was I may not edit much, then I'll be able to post it so that we'll go through them before we'll do the next tomorrow. So if you have any area you want to us to look at again, you can do that.
I think it's okay. We've done a lot for today. So what you just do when we do, like I told you in the past, when you do brief like this, compile it, then before we meet it, watch again and continue. So compile the first and second, that will be good. We watch. And when that woman comes, if she has missed some,
Yes.
if she has missed some, she can always watch the 1 hour or 2 hours before she joins the new lecture. So that way, even when you have new students, The new students can always watch what you've done before and join us. You can get me these consultants. I'm a check the name.
Ezioku, Prof. Ezioku. No, Prof. Emma the train I am now. Aqua research, innovation and commercialization. That
Yeah.
I never. The research I never. So this is